Well, you will soon be able to save some money while filing your taxes, and that savings is coming from our federal government. Under the program, the IRS is offering free online tax prep for some taxpayers. This new plan is scheduled to roll out next year, but no surprise, it's already getting some criticism. So joining us for more insight is Mr. Dan Roccato, finance professor at the University of San Diego. Dan, we're talking taxes and it's only May. Thank you for being here. This really seems like common sense. So why only now is this being offered by the IRS?
Did you say common sense and tax in the same sentence? Hi, Nichole. How are you? So we have the IRS basically flexing a little bit of muscle here. It kind of ebbs and flows with the political winds, but you're absolutely right. What might happen now with this new pilot program is that millions of taxpayers may be eligible to actually file for free online with the IRS directly. There's a sort of a variation of that program today, but it really takes us into a new territory where the IRS is essentially going to be in the business perhaps of helping you and I complete our tax returns, which I think most folks would agree is a really difficult process. The average person spends about, 8 hours, I think, is the average on a tax return. That's a lot of time to pay your taxes.
Yeah, it can certainly be frustrating. Dan, we are both familiar with how quickly things move when it comes to our federal government. What are the chances this really happens, at least really happens when it's scheduled to roll out?
Yeah, not anytime soon. I think we might see a pilot program next year. And you know how these things go, Nichole. You do the pilot program, and then from there, politicians get involved, administrators get involved, you get feedback. But there's a couple of issues here. Number one, it's going to cost the IRS a big chunk of money. One estimate is $250 million a year. Number two, what about customer support? If you have a problem, Nichole, when you're doing this online, who do you call? The IRS isn't known for their excellent customer service, at least at the moment, right? So there are a couple issues that mean that big adoption, mainstream adoption, is a long way off.
I have to tell you, Dan, when you said that last part, I chuckled. The floor director, Tom, chuckled at that. Yeah, certainly not known to have the best customer service, with all due respect to our federal government officials. So, Dan, big question here, obvious question, I think. Will this put all of those other filing services out of business? Talking, H&R Block, TurboTax, Tax Act. Yeah. All of those tax prep services are used by a lot of people, and, consequently also taking a lot of money.
Huge businesses. TurboTax, I think, processes more than 40 million tax returns. Block does about half of that number. So you're right, Nichole. These are huge businesses, and these are powerful businesses. They have lobbyists. They have interest, on Washington that are looking out for them. At the end of the day, Nichole, I don't suspect we're going to see them necessarily going bankrupt anytime soon. But the real issue here, I think, is we're sort of putting lipstick on a pig. The fact is, it's way too complicated for you and I and 340 million of our closest friends across the country to pay our taxes. That's really what I'd love to see them focus on in terms of making this a better system, whether it be with TurboTax or Block as part of that process or not. It'd be great to see them actually improve the process.
What a novel idea, Dan. Make the process simpler and easier. I love it. I might be nominating you. All right. Dan Roccato, as always, love talking to you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.